going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. Please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works.
Much love
to those who purchased the Three Kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, much love to those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon. Much love. Keep it coming. And remember, the New World Order cryptos are in my Patreon. Plus, I keep you up to date with the New World Order events. And that is so important because as we can see right now, we have the first quarter main event. And we know they're going to ride this towards the end of the year. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And right now, cryptos are taking a dump. Stocks are taking a dump, and we know why. We know what the Fed has to do. And I'm definitely going to get into that later. But we have Arthur Haynes predicts the coming crypto carnage because he knows. And remember, guys, when I first started BitMEX, that was the most enjoyable times. It was easy money because he would definitely give us a hint on when they was going to dump the market. Now we have Bank of America says crypto can outperform bonds and stocks as inflation shock worsens. And guys, we know that is not true. Yes, we have some real use cases in this economy for crypto, but at a large scale is not being used. We know right now bonds and stocks still have institutional money in it, but both of them are going to take a beat down. But definitely cryptos are going to take the biggest hit. But we know the New World Order works off problem, reaction, solution. So we know the market is going to tank, but Bitcoin and cryptos are going to rise, that 1%. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. Now, guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates, which we see that are steady rising. We have volume. Friday's stock market, there wasn't any volume. With cryptos on the weekend, it wasn't any volume, and volume did come back today, but to dump us. And then also we have Tether, USDC, and then plus, guys, we have the Fed. Make sure you're paying attention to the repo. And also, guys, do not forget they have a meeting May, June, and July. So they're going to be raising rates 3 months straight. So over the next 3 months, guys, we're going to have a volatile period. And stocks and cryptos. I'm letting you know, there's going to be a lot of pumps and dumps. And don't forget, Yellen stated, CBDCs could become trusted money because we already know what their solution is. And also pay attention to Grayscale. That Grayscale whale, they keep priming up trying to get this Bitcoin spot ETF. They may get approved June or July. And we know a spot Bitcoin ETF in the United States would help stabilize the price. And do not forget to pay attention to Grayscale's allocation. Now let's get over to a little crypto news. And yes, guys, we have a lot of cryptos dumping, but we know they're going to hit a bottom. So do not allow the dump to scare you. Now we have Axie Infinity. We know the hack has lost 30% in the last 2 weeks. The cryptos that we know that are going to make it inside of the fourth industrial revolution, they're going to pump and dump constantly until the New World Order is ready to flip that switch. And remember, the Cryptoteacher told you. Now we have the Swiss Public Exchange lists 2 new carbon neutral crypto ETPs, offsetting the carbon footprint. And guys, we know all about the clean energy agenda, but we are constantly seeing ETPs that are definitely opening up the casino. Now we have a new $250 million ton coin fund, targets DX and NFT2s on ton blockchain. Also, we have Fabric VC looks to close 2 Web3 funds worth $245 million. So guys, we see billions and billions of dollars coming inside of crypto for the metaverse Web3 development. Now we have Whitehall Capital, a UK loan provider, lets investors to tokenize their fund with securitize partnership. So guys, what they're doing is tokenizing loans. Remember, everything is going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. And lastly, guys, we have Kathy Woods of ARK Invest is dumping PayPal stock. But guys, I've done plenty of videos on PayPal, all the connections. We know PayPal is not going anywhere. It is a New World Order company, and remember, the Cryptoteacher told you, because he knows. When it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, and not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks. To see where the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.